What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the CountIF function in Excel to count how many entries meet a specific criteria. This is useful for quickly summarizing data based on a condition. Start by opening up your Excel worksheet that contains the data where you want to use the CountIF function. For this video, we'll count how many people on a list have their birthdays in January. Ensure your Excel worksheet includes a column of names and another of birthday months. Suppose your birthday months are listed in column B from B2 to B7. Click on a cell where you want the result from the CountIF function to appear. This is where you'll see how many people have birthdays in January. Now, input the CountIF formula. Type the formula equals CountIF, open bracket, B2, semicolon, B7, comma, January, closed bracket. Here's what each part of the formula means. B2, semicolon, B7 is the range of cells that Excel will check against your criteria. January is the criteria. CountIF will count how many times January appears in the range B2 to B7. After typing the formula, press Enter. Excel will calculate how many cells in a specified range match January. The cell where you entered the formula will now display the number of people who have their birthdays in January. The CountIF function is incredibly useful for handling large data sets where manually counting specific data points would be impractical. It simplifies data analysis and helps you draw conclusions more quickly and accurately. Remember, CountIF can be used for various data types and conditions, making it a versatile tool for any Excel user. Whether you're managing event attendees by birth month, categorizing sales data, or tracking project milestones, CountIF can provide the quick insights you need. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.